Another reminder for our friends. Special delivery. Keep out of sight and get back to base the second their chopper lands for evacuation. In the meantime, take Laughing Boy for diving lessons of the Caparanga Falls.
What? But you said I would be set free if they agreed to leave the valley.
Yeah. Funny thing about that, I lied.
Okay, let's move it, buddy boy.
No, wait. I forgot my water wings.
And I'm a cat.
We hate baths.
All right. Here we are. Let's see. A nice jack swan tuck. Or belly flop. Makes no difference to me. Either way, over you go.
Let's not be hasty.
Stop your stalling, yeah.
Good.
I love you, trees. I love you, rocks. I love you, butterfly. I love you, sloth dun.
Copycat, thank goodness you're safe. Guys, how'd you find me?
You can thank the Wogueros for that, man.
Yeah, they've been tracking you since day one.
Hurry, we've got ourselves a forest to rescue. Now.